So this is a pretty cool costume edition or for cosplay. And this is the Han Solo belt and suspender. So it comes with a bunch of cool things. It comes with the holster for his blaster. It's got this cool pouch that you see him use in the movie. A very nice metal buckle. It's kind of like a Cobra buckle, but much thinner and not as many pieces. Now you've got a smaller version of that buckle up here, and these look really good to the movie. And then you've got places for cartridges. You've got more places for tools. Overall, it's a really nice belt. It adjusts a lot. It can go from very small to very large. So it's a great prop for cosplay or for costumes that you can share. So if you're looking to have any kind of a space costume, but especially Han Solo, then this is the one I like the best. Hope this helps.